Good morning, student. Now today we are going to learn and write U family sound 3 letter words. अब हम क्या करेंगे? U sound family के words लिखेंगे. Okay? Here write down U family sound words and write down 3 letter words. Corner write down today's date. Now write U. Sound of U is a. Sound of N is N. U N un. Sound of U is a. Sound of G is g. Ugh. Sound of U is a. Sound of T is t. Ut. Sound of U is a. Sound of B is b. Up. Sound of U is a. Sound of M is m. Okay. Now we will write down 3 letter words. B-U-N. Bun. See this picture. G-U-N. Gun. F-U-N. Fun. S-U-N. Sun. Now ugh words. B-U-G. Bug. M-U-G. Mug. R-U-G. Rug. J-U-G. Jug. H-U-G. Hug. Now ut sound. C-U-T. Cut. N-U-T. Nut. H-U-T. Hut. B-U-T. Butt. P-U-T. Put. R-U-T. Rut. Up sound. C-U-B. Cub. R-U-B. Rub. T-U-B. Tub. H-U-B. Hub. S-U-B. Sub. Okay. Now sound. S-U-M. Sum. G-U-M. Gum. H-U-M. Hum. M-U-M. Mum. Y-U-M. Yum. Okay, student, write down like this family words. Today we learn and wrote U sound family words. You have to write down 2 pages. One page here and another page on back side. Okay, student, like this. And learn the spelling very properly, neatly. Okay, and write down spellings of 3 letter words U sound and click the photo and send on the group. Okay, we will meet next video. Till then, bye bye, student.